Well, boys, today is the day. Well, let's hope it starts.
One eternity later. 2,000 years later.
Well, boys, we managed to drive, and let's just say I really miss this one. Hopefully it'll be a good one when she's back. Well, boys, we have made it safely here at Dreamville Center. Whew. So just now is the final drive with my car, and man, I really miss it, especially driving a manual. So hopefully it will come back strong, and I'm not sure how long it's gonna take. So today we're gonna assemble some of the parts from the engine that I'm building, and also hopefully you can pull out the engine from this car. So just to show you some of the part that I just got. So this is the exhaust. Looks pretty huge, so hopefully it will sound good. And this is the fuel rail, and we got a new timing belt, yeah, and also the crank pulley is inside here. I'm gonna show you. Right here is the crank pulley that I ordered off Shopee. Actually, I got it for a pretty good deal, and yep, blue. I mean, it matched my shirt. It says for 4AGE 16 valve. Yeah, later we're gonna assemble this. So the last time I was here, the Honda was here, and the Honda is already done overhauling. So right now is my car. This is just overlook of what it will look like. This is the exhaust. So guys, for today's progress, actually not much has been done. The engine is still in there, but what we did, we actually tried to clean some of the parts here. We even sprayed to make it look clean. Right now they are also cleaning the oil pan. It was really rusty, and also as you can see, the valve cover is off because I was planning to spray it. At the moment, still thinking of what color should I spray, and also actually I was thinking also to spray the engine bay of my car, but I need to see how much progress I can clean it first, because obviously I need to really clean it, then only I decide whether should I spray it or not. Valve cover is easy to spray, so I'm gonna do that first. What color, I will let you guys know again.
The next day.
So what is up, guys? Today is a new day, and today we're gonna spray the valve cover with yellow color. I got this from Dino's friend. He helped to mix this color, and hopefully it really turns out like really bright yellow. So let's go. So right here we already spray one layer of it, just to show you roughly. Spray a few layers to make it like really shiny and yellow. So I also bought the fuel pressure regulator from Shopee. because I've installed it on my another car. I would say it's a must because especially with the build that I'm going, very important that we can monitor the fuel and also adjust the fuel accordingly. So this one is the Tomei fuel regulator with the adapter. So make sure you buy it correctly. You can get this at Shopee for a pretty decent price. Make sure the fitting is right for your car. So the second layer is already spread. Not sure how many layers we're gonna spray on it, just as long as it looks like really beautiful and yellow. So right now we just let it sit to let it dry for a bit, then we spray the third layer. So right here I've let the fifth coat. So far I think it looks fine. Right now we're just gonna let it dry. Then hopefully it will turn out really nice and shiny. So just to show you, they are also spraying this one, purple. So just a quick update right here. As you can see, is the main pulley itself. Cam pulley I sprayed yellow, so it's gonna be quite colorful. And yeah, the engine is still inside there because our focus is make sure we assemble as much as we can. So right here we got the two pulleys. They are yellow. These are also yellow, and the valve cover is yellow. Guys, here is the overview of the engine. The pulley is gonna be yellow. Later I'm gonna put it and show to you guys. But overall, really satisfied. So guys, this is how it's gonna look like. The cam pulley both are in. Whew. Imagine it's in there. It's gonna pop out. There's still one last thing, is the oil pan. It's going down here. It's also yellow. So man, this engine is gonna shine really bright. Though I was thinking painting this part too, but it's too much grease to clean off. Too much work to clean off, so I think I'm just gonna leave it. I'm really excited. Seeing this engine here really makes me more hope. And if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button down for me.